Was asked by the leadership, mayors and city council members and others, to adhere to the masking, distancing, avoiding congregate settings. We did pretty well as a state, I thought, including Baltimore.
And Dr. Anthony Fauci says to do even better, everyone must get the coronavirus vaccine. That includes the African American and Latin communities, where he understands the skepticism, but adds the minority community is vulnerable and needs to be protected.
But what we've got to do is to inform them in a very transparent way that there are now today safeguards that will never allow that to happen again. And it would really be a shame if the African American population did not afford themselves the benefit of a very efficacious and safe vaccine that could save their lives, the lives of their family and their community.
Dr. Fauci also weighed in on the indoor and outdoor dining ban in Baltimore City, which is shut down for fear of spreading COVID-19. He didn't say it shouldn't be allowed, but says communities must be very careful.
If you do it, it should be absolutely below the regular capacity of a restaurant. If you have any indoor dining, there should be with good ventilation to the extent possible.
Dr. Fauci also had high praise for Governor Larry Hogan. The two share conversations often about fighting the pandemic and how best to respond.
He is really doing a terrific job. He gets it. He's really smart. He understands it in some respects as well as the people who do it for a living. So when I always welcome, whenever he calls me and whenever we talk, I always welcome the conversation with him, because he really understands the problem as good or as well or better than anybody.
He also tells me to expect the vaccine into the arms of healthy Marylanders sometime by the beginning of April. As for New Year's Eve, he says he plans to stay home tonight with his wife and do a Zoom celebration with his kids and some friends. Phil Yakubuski, WBAL TV 11 News.